Hey traders, welcome to the next lesson. In this video, as we said in the last video, in this video we're going to talk about the supply zone in the market. And similar to the demand zone, there are two types of supply zone. The first one is the drop-based drop, and the second one is the rally-based drop supply zone, as you can see in the forming here. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about them in detail, but I will be moving a little bit faster because in your previous video you have understood the types of demand zones. So understanding supply zones should not be very difficult if you have completely understood the demand zone. So let's go ahead and get started. So in drop-based drop demand zone, the first candle is a big bodied bearish candle. First, let's focus on what does drop-based drop mean. Drop means the first candle will be a big bodied bearish candle. Then there is this base region here, which tells us that there is this ranging market structure. And again, the last candle will be a drop candle. That would be a big bodied bearish candle. Now we can see the formation of this market structure here. And in this market structure, we can see that the first candle is this big bodied bearish candle, and the sellers are in control, and they're moving the market in a down direction. Now in this region here, this base region, which is represented by this small bodied bearish candle, this is a ranging market structure, which is telling us that there is no control or no clear trend in the market, and that's why market is indecisive. Now in the last phase, in this big bodied bearish candle or drop candle, we can again see the sellers taking control and moving the market in the bearish direction. So this region here around this base region, this zone will be called as our supply zone, because in this zone a lot of supply came in, due to which the market moved in the downward direction. And what this supply zone means is market will come back to this region in order to pick the remaining supply, and then again it will move in the bearish direction. Now the second type of the supply zone is this rally based drop supply zone. Now this is very similar to drop based rally demand zone, but it's opposite, because in this one here, the first candle is our rally candle, as the name suggests, rally, base, and drop. So in this one, the first one is the rally candle, then there's this base candle, and then again there's this drop candle. So the supply zone will be drawn at the highs and lows of this base region, and the market will come back in this base region or this supply zone to pick the market supply, and then again move in the bearish direction. As we can see here, there's the formation of this rally based drop supply zone, and then we can here we are representing the market going back in towards the supply zone to pick the supply, and then again it gives a big bearish move. Now let's go towards the charts and identify these drop based drop and rally based drop supply zones onto the charts in real time. So here we can see the formation of this drop, base, and drop supply zone, because in this base region we can see there are two candles, but that's okay because there can be more than one candles in base region as well. So the first candle is this drop candle, this big bodied bearish candle, and then again there is this base region, which tells us that there is the ranging market structure like this, and then again there's the formation of this big bodied bearish candle, which is a drop candle. So this is a formation of a drop based drop supply zone. Now similarly, we can again see the formation of this rally, base, and drop supply zone as well, because here we can see the formation of this big bodied bullish candle, which tells us that buyers are in control in this candle here. If we look at it at lower time frame, this candle will represent a bullish momentum. Then there is this base region, and then again there is this drop candle, which tells us that the momentum in this candle will be in the downward direction if we look at it at lower time frame. So this is the formation of a rally base, and drop supply zone. So that's how you identify the two types of supply zones. The first one is a drop based drop, and the second one is a rally based drop supply zone. Now in our next video, we're going to talk about the strength of these supply and demand zones and how you can identify if they are strong or not.